Article 27, the Revised Penal Code. Reclusion perpetua, 20 years, 1 day to 40 years. Reclusion temporal, 12 years, 1 day to 20 years. Prison mayor. Temporary, absolute, special disqualification, 6 years, 1 day to 12 years. Prison correctional and suspension, destierro, 6 months, 1 day to 6 years. Arresto mayor, 1 month, 1 day to 6 months. Arresto menor, 1 to 30 days. Thank you.